So there's a couple problems we're having. This one, the heat is weakening the metal and it's collapsing, and the other problem is we can't add fuel without removing the lid. So we're going to solve both of those problems. All right, so take this, get this out of the way. Oh, look at that. All needs to be dug out of there. Yeah. Oh my God, that is a lot of ash. So this is what our furnace looks like. We put ribs in it. We got it going back together. There's our chute there on the side.
Come back after lunch, fire it up.
Yeah. Tony.
Hey everybody.
He's got the bellows set up. This is our chute. Grab that and open it. The flames are gonna shoot out. Shovel charcoal
Kingsford
into there and then just cover it back up. Tony Spermicelli,
hey everybody,
is going to add fuel. This time we're using charcoal
Kingsford
briquettes.
It's good for cooking shit.
All right, dude, you can't even pour a bag of charcoal
Kingsford
into a hole.
So what we got here is Drac with his tongs.
Fucking lighter go.
He's got his lighter. Slow pan. Try to grab my nudicles. Don't you have to douse that in like fuel or something? He's dumping a generous amount of juice into the hole. For safety, he's putting the spillable bottle on a leaning cooler by the house.
The evil guilt pusher
Yeah.
is creating a sulfur preparation.
Kingsford.
Whoa, I'm on fire.
Whoa.
Immediately
Yeah.
changes its tune.
Can you actually hear that?
Oh yeah.
Sound?
Charcoal.
Kingsford.
It's hot. I'm starting to get a tan. We didn't have to wait for the burn down period. It just immediately started roaring.
Yep.
Using charcoal.
Kingsford.
Top off.
Look at that flame. Woo.
We got a pretty good glow down there on that crucible, and we're able to sustain the temperature because we got a chute where we can feed charcoal
Kingsford
in. So we'll see what happens. We found a process that works to keep the fire stoked and going and hot. I filled the chute with charcoal
Kingsford,
and I'm waiting for it to catch good, which it looks like it's about time. I'm gonna shove it the rest of the way in, and that's gonna stoke the flames, and then we'll put more bricks in on top of it to plug the hole up. Oh yeah. Charcoal.
Kingsford.
Shove it down the devil's throat. Gotta be constantly feeding fuel in there to keep the temperature up. And that coal
Kingsford
blocks the chute so that the air doesn't escape so much. By the time I get the cap back on, it's already time to add more charcoal.
Kingsford.
We have a sustained glow on our crucible there. In order to keep it, that's what we got to do. We got to keep loading it, which means we're going to have to get another bag of charcoal
Kingsford
over there soon. With this furnace, we've managed to maintain this glow for, what have we been at, an hour?
Yeah.
Long enough that that copper should have melted if we were at the right temperature. So I think we are able to sustain the temperature, but it's just under what we need to melt copper. So we're going to try something that melts at a slightly lower temperature. We're going to try brass.
It's glowing. Show you what we're talking about here. It ain't copper colored no more, but man, that's smoking hot.
Brass.
This is a brass water pump.
Put that in there. Oh yeah, look at this.
It started to bond.
They were stuck together.
Yeah.
This one here got smushed pretty flat. So they were starting to melt. It just wasn't getting quite hot enough. They were starting to lose their strength and bend, but not enough to liquefy them. I think it's melted.
Really?
Yeah, almost completely. Yeah, look in there. The rest of it melted, right?
Yeah, the rest of it's puddling.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the mouth part of the housing where the shaft comes out, I still see that. It needs to go in.
So we did, what, 1700 degrees at least?
At least. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we got here is Drac and Tony Spermicelli. Hey, everybody. We're getting ready to pour our brass. Looks good and orange and hot. And here we go. Here's the pour.
Brass pour.
Brass pour.
Oh, 2. Look at that, almost 2 ingots.
Oh, wow. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. What you're looking at is 2 brass cupcakes. 1 3/4. I'm gonna back away while that crystallizes.
So that brass looks an awful lot like aluminum.
Oh, you should wait till I polish it up on the wheel. It's gonna look just like 24 karat gold.
Wow.
Yeah.
I smelt it. Tony Spermicelli.
Hey everybody.
Is going to knock out the brass ingots. And knock out the knocks. Look at that. They popped right out of there.
Wait till they cool.
Wait, well, they're going to cool gold and then you're going to shine them up on the buffer?
When I shine them up, they're gonna look like 24 karat gold.
All right.
They're hazy right now. Wire wheel time.
It's cooled off now. Ooh,
Pretty.
look at that. Can't really hang on,
not
let's
in here.
step outside
Yeah.
so we can see the color. Yeah, Tony Spermicelli
Hey everybody.
is going to shine them up and then we're going to look at them again.